Happy nga po ako eh. At least, may personal time po si Sekim. Ngayon ko lang po kasi narinig na makikipag-date daw po siya.
Date? When? Where?
Okay, I think sharing time's over. Mabuti pa pa-reprint mo na lang to, oh. Friendly date lang yun, I'm sure.
I mean, it's her life. If Sekim wants to go on a date, then wala akong pakialam.
Mukha nga.
What? I'm serious.
Okay, very good. Uy bro, sino tinatawagan mo?
Sekim. What? I need my schedule for tomorrow.
Ang labo mo, bro.
Baka siya yung sumagot.
Eh, nasa date nga kasi, bro. And besides, you know how dates usually end, right?
Pindutin mo ulit.